It's time for Kip Quest. So as you may know, right now I'm at Dairy Queen and I ordered the special limited edition Peppermint Hot Cocoa Blizzard treat, which is right in front of me, and it comes with whipped cream, which is really nice with all the little peppermint stuff up on top, which is actually really cool. But was that a chili breeze? Are your winter seasonal tasting doesn't fear? We know just the fix with a version of the classic. We made one of a kind combo to smooth your winter warmth with our peppermint and hot cocoa blizzard treat is back better than ever. Which that means they had this before a long time ago. So now we're going to do now is I'm going to give my feedback into it. So I'm going to put this guy back over here. So now, here are yours. You know, this actually really kicks its spot here, and I would actually say 10 out of 10. This is actually a really cool, fun dessert treat, and what they said on the description made it actually make it more special, and just do everything to that is actually really good, which I think it definitely deserves an A+ on here. They also says that on here on their website it's freshly bland peppermint candy cane, piece cocoa crunches, and cocoa fudge with our wood famous DQ soft serve, and it is sure to ring in the winter cheer, but don't end there. Back top with written content, your fine smooth whip topping and peppermint candy cane pieces, simple desserts, which is what it is on top, and I gotta say that's really good. And love it. Like I said, it's 10 out of 10. It's a cool drink overall and love it all. So that's it on there. So hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel, leave a notification on if I'm posting any new videos. Leave the comments down below, and see you guys next time only on Kip Quest.